Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Tesvor R5. This is the next gen vacuum cleaner. Wow. Vacuuming, wiping and self-cleaning in just one operation. We have here a long battery life of at least 50 minutes in standard mode. Whoa, 50 minutes is a long range of vacuum cleaning because I think you can make all house cleaning and this under 50 minutes. So this battery here will give us so a long range of cleaning. It's a good quality roller, optimized cleaning system. It cleans and disinfect vigorously. The wipe without chemicals. The disinfection studies were conducted under controlled test condition, of course. And of course, you have to add a disinfection into the tank to make this happen. Different modes adapt to different environments. The Tesvor R5 wet and dry vacuum cleaner is the cleaning expert out there. The intelligent self-cleaning function frees our hand from now on. The fresh water tank and the wastewater tank are separated to improve the cleaning efficiency. The first class mop material and the 3-in-1 cleaning system ensures good cleaning results. The cleaning level and the self-cleaning function. The device is suitable for different floors. The automatic self-cleaning function works independently, cordless and agile. The R5's lightweight and wireless body lets us move freely. We go up and down stairs with ease and reach every corner. This is the first class roller and the 3-in-1 system for a consistently clean wiping result. We will get, of course, the main body of this awesome device. We have to assemble it first because the handle assembly is not attached to the main body itself. But it's really easy. We only switch it in position. Then we have a clean water bucket. We have a charging stand where this vacuum cleaner can host there on the floor. And while it is hosting there, it can reload and get energy for more and nicer cleaning activities. We have a power adapter to connect this to the charging stand. We have an accessory boxes for our roller brush, for example. We have 2 roller brush, one roller brush is installed and another is a replacement part. We have a cleaning tool. This cleaning tool is really cool because this helps you a lot to clean your vacuum cleaner easily. And you can reach nearly all areas with that. We have 2 high efficient filters. One is attached and the other we have to use for replacement. And a disassembly tool. On the top side of this vacuum cleaner, we have the switch button, okay, to switch it on and off. If we push the switch button, it will go on, of course, but you have to tilt a little bit down the vacuum cleaner to start the engine. This is a safety thing. If the device is running and makes the job proper, you can switch between the standard mode and the maximum suction mode. For this is a separate button on top here. We have an auto cleaning button. This is like a trigger. And this will apply the water and go to the auto cleaning button mode. We have the handle assembly. This will transport, I think it was 6 wires from the main body to the bottom on the control switches. We have a clean water bucket there, which we can easily remove from the main body. And we can top up this clean water bucket with fresh water and maybe a little bit of disinfection liquid inside. Then we can see a display on top of the main body. This display gives us a lot of information about the machine. It will show us in which section mode we are. It will show us in how much the clean water bucket is loaded, and of course the Savage bucket too. We have underneath the display there is a voice button, because this vacuum cleaner is voice controlled too. Not voice controlled, it gives you a feedback by its voice. And this female voice you can switch on and off, of course, with the voice button. Then on the back side of the main body we have a replaceable battery. This is really cool, because if after a couple of years maybe the battery is not anymore so good, you can replace it. Or if you have a really big house at home and you cannot handle the cleaning process within 50 minutes, you can buy another battery to replace it and go to double the time. We have the machine body assembly, and we have a Savage bucket. In this Savage bucket, there comes the dirt. This is a dirt tank. In this dirt tank, they will get the liquid, which is removed from the bottom into this tank, and it's the Savage bucket. It is really easy, because you can remove the top side of it, then you can dip it out, job's done. We have a roller brush cover and a roller brush underneath in the mop assembly. And this roller brush is really made out of high quality materials, and it works really good, because on flat surfaces it's like an ignition of the water, and it will ignite a little bit the water onto the roller brush. The roller brush will apply it on the floor, and then in the background it will suck it away from the bottom, so it's clean after that. Then we have the charging stand and an adapter, an AC adapter for it to get the power into it. On the mop assembly, we have a roller brush on the bottom side. You have a scraper and the small wheels on the front side, and the rear wheels got two big wheels. And this is good for navigation. We insert the handle assembly into the top of the machine body from the direction from up to down. It's really easy, okay? It snaps in position, job's done. Then the machine body and the handle assembly is attached. Then maybe this is enough. You are ready to use it. But there is more we have to do. We have to assemble the clean water bucket assembly. We turn the cap of the clean water bucket counterclockwise to open it. We add appropriated amount of clean water. We turn the cap clockwise to tighten it. Job's done. We insert the clean water bucket assembly into the corresponding position of the machine body. This comes from up to down, okay? From upside to downside, jobs. It snaps in position and it gets set inside. The assembling is successfully when a click sound is heard by you, okay? Gently pull the handle of the clean water bucket upwards to remove the clean water bucket assembly if you have to refill or to clean that assembly itself. But this is the fresh assembly, okay? Then we assemble the Savage bucket assembly. We insert the Savage bucket assembly into the corresponding position of the machine body in the front side in the direction from the front side of the machine. We slide it on the bottom side a little bit in and clap it in position. It's the same, it will clap and it's locked there. We can let it there until it's full. If it is full, we remove it, drip it away, the trash inside, the dirty water. You can get into the sink, job's done, then clean a little bit this bucket and get back in position. The roller brush is cool to assemble and disassemble. Cool. We insert the roller brush into the corresponding position of the machine body in the direction from the upper side to the bottom side. It is on one side there is an engine installed, and this you can see there is it looks like a fan. Okay, it looks like a fan, and there we get it in position. On the other side, there is a little block, and that block you can push down. Job's done. Okay, of course after this, if we done this, we have to assemble the roller brush cover. We insert the roller brush on the buttonholes, okay, on both sides of it, on the front side. Then we push it back in position, it claps in position, job's done. That's really easy, really easy. If we are going to charge and auto cleaning this model, we have to use the charging assembly for it. No, that's important, the charging stand. We plug the adapter into the socket, of course. Then we have the power supply. We place the machine onto the charging stand, and we let it in position. We get it in position. It will goes in position immediately and easily. On the display will flash, the machine will be charged. Okay, charging is finished when the indicator light goes off. After cleaning is done, we place the machine onto the charging stand. We assure there's sufficient water in cleaning water bucket. Press auto cleaning button to enter the auto cleaning mode. The cleaning and the spin drying will be completed within 80 seconds, and then the machine will stop automatically. After charging is finished, we turn off the power switch and we unplug the adapter. Okay? The auto cleaning function can only be selected under the charging mode itself. If it is attached to the charging station, you can pull the trigger on the upper device itself. It's really easy. Okay? We going to remove and attach or clean the savage bucket itself. A halo is set above the savage bucket. We press the button inside such halo the downwards to remove the savage bucket itself. Okay, we place the savage bucket on the floor. We hold the bucket body with the left or the right hand, slowly pull the bucket cap upward. We do not use too much force to avoid savage splashing, of course, to remove it. Yeah, slowly we take the filter frame outside of the bucket. We remove the solid waste off the filter frame. We drain the savage. We wash the bucket cap, the filter frame, and the savage bucket. We assemble the filter frame, and we bucket the cap assembly bucket back in position, and the main body job's done. It's really easy and fast performed to do that cleaning thing. If we look on the display, okay, there will indicate you the battery level. The display from 0 to 100. 0 indicates no power. 100 indicates full charged. The illumination indicates working, flashing means charging. We have auto cleaning symbol. After the auto washing is finished, the icon will flash to remind auto cleaning. When the machine is placed onto the charging stand and its battery level is above 30%, we press the auto cleaning button. The icon will illuminate and the machine will enter the auto cleaning mode. This takes around about 80 seconds. And the icon these are two water drops, okay? We have the icon roller brush entangling. When the roller brush is not assembled or is stuck or engaged voice prompt off, the roller brush is not assembled, or please clean the roller brush. It will be heard, the icon will illuminate it, and we can know this about that. The insufficient water in cleaning water bucket When the water in the clean water bucket is insufficient, the icon will flash. It's a jar with an empty liquid inside, so it looks like. And the voice, tells you insufficient water is in the clean water bucket. It will be heard after the water is filled into the bucket and the auto washing is restarted. The icon will go out of the business because it is refilled. The savage bucket is full. Okay, this is the other side. If the savage bucket is full, we get another information. When the savage reaches the warning line, the icon will flash. It looks like the same, but it's a full jar there. The machine will stop. The voice will take as information. Please empty the savage bucket. Oh yes, this will be heard by us. After the savage bucket is emptied and the auto washing is restarted, the icon will go on. Then we have two different energy modes, more section, the strong mode, the auto washing mode, and the energy saving mode. These are three buttons, not buttons, are icons on the screen. For example, there is the vacuum is there, and you can see three dots under it. This is the energy saving mode. The icon eliminates under the auto washing mode. Okay, we have a strong mode. If we push the button to strong, there will the vacuum and 5 dots under it. The icon will eliminate under auto washing mode, and we have the auto washing mode itself. These are the letters AUTO for auto. Auto washing mode. The icon eliminates under auto washing mode. So you can see, and you can hear, because there's a voice. You can see, you can hear, and you can feel what this machine will be. Then we have the fan section level. Under the auto washing mode, the machine will automatically identify the stains on floor and intelligently adjust the fan section level. The more bars eliminated, the higher than the fan section level is. Under auto washing mode, we short press the UV disinfection maximum button for 5 seconds to enter the maximum section mode. Progress bar will fully eliminate under the max section mode and short press the UV disinfection max button for 0.5 seconds to enter the auto washing mode. The section level can be adjusted intelligently. This is a smart device. And we have a double color light ring for floor cleans. The blue light eliminates by default. When the floor is dirty, the light rings will eliminate to red according to the floor conditions. The more rings eliminated, the dirtiest floor is. The fan section level will be raised automatically. During charging, the effect will be displayed the dynamical app on charging process. And this lets us come to the function buttons itself. Long press the switch button for 2 seconds to enter the auto washing mode. Short press the button to stop the machine, okay? Short press the button for 0.5 seconds to enter the maximum suction mode. And short press the button again for 0.5 seconds to exit it. If we go into working mode, in the working mode, the machine keeps outputs water by default. Short press, self-cleaning button. The machine stops watering with voice prompt. Turn off the water output. Short press, self-cleaning button again. The machine starts to output the water with the voice prompt. Turn off the water output. With self-cleaning mode, if we are there when the machine is placed in the charging dock, make sure the charging dock is connected to the power, of course. When the balanced battery power is over 30%, we short press the self-cleaning button. The self-cleaning button is the trigger button. It starts automatically the cleaning mode. This will cost you 80 seconds. Job's done, okay? And the voice switch, you can disable or enable the voice prompt. The rated voltage of this device is DC 25.2 volt. That's good. The machine power has 255 watt. The adapter parameters are 29.5 volt with 1 ampere. The maximum output power is 17.5 decibel amp. The battery capacity is 3,800 mAh. The working time in general mode is more than 45 minutes. Working time with maximum suction mode is more than 50 minutes. The charging time will be 240 minutes, and The effective capacity of Savage bucket is 700 milliliter. The capacity of the clean water bucket is, wow, 900 milliliter. The netto weight of the machine is 5.2 kilogram. And the dimensions are 330 to 350 to 1190 millimeter. This is the awesome R5 intelligent vacuum cleaner, wet and dry. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!
Automatischer Modus. Der Wassereimer hat keinen Wasseraushalt. Die rechtzeitig Wasser unterstützen. Herunterfahren. Bitte setzen Sie den Saugroboter wieder auf die Ladestation.